Hello and welcome to a demo of the free lead tracking spreadsheet, which is meant for small businesses, freelancers, or individual contractors like consultants or any professional who work as an individual or solopreneurs, as we say. So if you're a small business owner or a freelancer and you have not yet made up your mind in terms of what's the best system that you could use to track your sales leads and monitor the progress and get to know what's working for you and how is it that you can increase sales for your freelance profession or your small business, then this free lead tracking spreadsheet is the best solution for you. There's no cost to it. It's free to download. The link to download is in the video description there. I also have an advanced version, a pro version, which has some additional reports and insights with regards to marketing, and it lets you plan your marketing spends and sources. So if you want to use a pro version, that's just for about $9. The link for that also is in the description, but this video is about the free lead tracking spreadsheet. What you see on your screen right now is the dashboard view. So this tracker has three sheets that's important for you. One is the lead tracker. So this is where you actually enter the details of all your sales opportunities or leads and the progress, like the stage and the remarks and the close date and everything else. Then you have the dashboard, which is the critical sheet in terms of insights, where you get your monthly performance. For example, April, there were 7 new leads, 2 are still open, which shouldn't be, but this is a sample lead tracking sheet. So 2 were closed as 1, 3 lost, conversion percentage 28.57%. So you could see the monthly conversion percentage and the monthly revenue trend. You have the annual snapshot. So 38 leads, 10 closed as 1, 11 lost, a conversion percentage of 26.32%. It takes about 35 days to close deals for this company. The revenue is about 1.4 million against a target of 3 million. So they still need about 42 new leads to meet their annual target. So it says you have achieved 48% of the total sales target. You need to generate 43 more leads to meet your sales target. So the dashboard gives you the snapshot and also tells you that given your average deal value and the days that it requires to close the deal and the conversion percentage, how many more leads you need to generate to be able to meet your yearly or your annual target. Then you have a lead stage report. So where are the open leads? So we know 10 were closed as 1, 11 lost. There are 5 leads in negotiation, 5 proposal presented. So you could go back to the lead tracker and filter those leads and see what's happening with these deals which are in negotiation phase. What's the next action planned? And what is it that can be done to expedite closure and win more deals? Hence, remarks and all these details to be entered accurately is very important. Then you get your lead source report. So what lead sources or what channels are working best for you? So in this case, email has 10 leads the most. So 26% of all leads come from email marketing. Or even revenue-wise, email is doing best, about 641,000. So they know that email campaigns are working for them. They need to focus more. They also need to look at how the PPC campaigns are doing. But for this example, social leads are not working at all. So they have generated 6 leads, but 0 conversion. So the kind of content that they are posting, the frequency, the targeting, they could look at that. Telecalling is not doing well, so maybe the telecalling reps need some training, better scripts, better prospecting. So this dashboard, the free dashboard, gives you all these key insights that let you monitor the progress of your leads, the status of your leads, and you get key insights in terms of where are your leads in the staging. So where is it that you need to focus upon? What sources are working, what sources are not working. So you could go back to the lead tracker and look at each lead in detail. If there are multiple people in your sales team, then you can ask the respective lead owners, what are they doing about the lead? What is the help that they need? So it's fairly simple. You go to the download link, you download it, and you just set it up. Setting up is fairly easy. You need to enter a company name here, then just for the branding purpose. You need to go to the drop-down sheet and need to check if these drop downs work for you, or do you need to modify them. For example, lead sources, these are standard referral, email, telecalling, website. But if you want to edit these lead sources, you could go ahead and change the options here. We have about 10. In case you need more than 10, then you need to go ahead and go to formulas, go to name manager, first add more options there, go to the lead source, and you edit the name range and you expand the list if you have more than 10. Then you have lead status, that's hot, warm, cold, no change there. You have the lead staging, so that's database where you have identified a prospect, yet to talk to the person. Then you move into contact established. You know the scope of work, so need identified, proposal presented. You may have a negotiation phase, and then you either close it as one or as lost, or at times the deal may be put on hold for some reason. These are standard lead stages, but again, you could go ahead and customize it to suit your requirements. That's how easy it is to download and set it up. As you enter the details here, the dashboard will keep giving you the insights. For example, let's go ahead, let's make a new change. For example, there is no deal in, say, October. So let's say we have a new deal in October. Test deal from India, state, city, let it be. Let's test owner, or let's have a website. Let's not enter that right now. Let's say the source was telecalling. It's a hot deal, proposal presented. The value is about 100,000. It's still open. So now you go to the dashboard stage. You see now there are 39 new leads. Earlier it was 38. Now we have an entry for October. Conversion has dropped because your leads have increased, but the closure is still 10. So as you can see, as you enter the deals here, the dashboard keeps getting updated. So as an owner, as a manager, monitor the dashboard maybe twice a week to get these key insights and take the necessary actions to improve conversion, increase sales, and grow your business. So this has been made with my years of experience helping companies monitor their sales pipeline, identify what sources work best for their business, and be consistent in generating new leads, monitoring opportunities, following up on time to close more and more sales. So get started, download now. If you have any questions or if you want any additions, if you have any feedback, write in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer you. And do subscribe to my channel and watch my other business and sales management videos. So thank you for making it to the end. Take care and be safe.